I ran all the way here, but now I can't see the reasons. I try too hard to make a better reality. So I ran all the way here, just for the chance that you'd come to. I've been waiting all day to come here and see you. It helped me deny my loneliness. So I ran all the way here, and I don't even know who you are. Who am I doing this for? Who am I doing this for? I refuse to fall asleep, knowing I'd wake up lonely, sickened by the sour taste. I had to distract my heart, so I wrote a play for us, but no one came to play your part. Who am I doing this for? Who am I doing this for? I ran all the way here, but now I can't see the reasons. I tried too hard to make a better reality. So I ran all the way do I have what it takes to make you fall in love with me? Am I the real deal or just another one of those who fake it? Maybe I don't really know you. Maybe I don't really know myself. Let me
know it's kind of funny how a room full of things feels completely empty when you're not in the wings. How could I have known the fortune I would find, the peace deep in my bones, the beauty day and night? And you make anywhere feel like home. Home isn't where we live, it's living by your side. Oh, and I can't imagine any